Excellent. Hello. Oh, there's several. Right, can you shove off? Right. So you don't need this extension then. Okay, straight then. Right. Right, now listen, Caroline, any ship only has one captain. Alright, I'm the captain. No. I can't accept that and sail with somebody else. So, I tell you where we're going, and you control the tiller properly. Right, don't worry about that, because that has no effect on what we're doing. Okay? Right. If I say go right, that means you pull the tiller towards you, because it goes the opposite way. Okay? Now you need to sit down a bit further so it doesn't crack your head. Sit down at the bottom of the boat. Right, go right, left, 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 that's it. Okay? It's going to smack you in the face. Sit down. No, sit down. There. That's it. Try and keep your head down. Okay, go right. That's the idea. Move your head. Okay. Okay, go left. Go left. That's it. That's it, okay. Right, right, right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's it. Okay, that's it. Right. Yeah, that's it. Put on the other side of the boat. Sit further back. Okay, right, let me show you. You need to turn the boat this way. Sit on the bottom of the boat, Caroline. Follow instructions or I'll get someone else. Okay, right. Keep it in the middle. Lay down that one. That's it. Right. Okay. Okay, listen. You should be pointing where we're going that way towards that pylon. So you keep the rudder pointing so we go that way and I'll control the sail. Right, central, watch where you're going. That's not where you're going. That way. Caroline, we're going that way.
Where do you want me to go? Just sail this way.
Towards there. You sit and watch where we're going and control the tiller. There's no point in facing
Well,
the...
like, if I'm sitting down there.
Can you see out the front of the boat?
No. Not if I'm sitting down there.
Yes, you can. Turn your head. Right, now you can see we're going over that way. Forget that. Just grab the end of the tiller.
Sorry, but that's just not really good.
Shall I get somebody else?
Please don't do that without warning.
Okay, Good. No, that way, that way, that way. There.
Yeah, I know,
That's
I
it.
know.
Alright. There we go. No, that's right, that's right. Okay, shoot over that way. That's it. Just keep that course. Hey! No, that's good. This is good. Whoa! Keep it. Right. That's it. No, 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 no! What are you doing? Calvin, you have a sight. Right. Follow instructions. Keep it pointing that way. There.
I know that's where I'm trying to go.
Find a tree and point it towards the tree. Alright? Don't panic. You look after right, now we need to tack about. Which means you need to turn sharp right and I'll duck underneath this. Got it?
3, 2, 1.
That's it, sit on the other side. Okay. Okay, now you're heading towards where the blue seal is. Actually, down towards where the purple seal is. That's it. Okay, straighten up, straighten up. Nice. Straight. Head for the purple seal. Right, your bow's working really nicely there. You see when it started to catch the wind and really pull over? That's when you start to get some serious speed. That's what makes it fun. It's designed to tip over to a degree, yes. That's why you lean out the side. It's like a bicycle. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay. Keep pointing. You're in charge of steering, Charlie. That's it. Excellent. Now we're cooking. Right, so I can lean out, straighten it up. But you need to keep it pointing towards the orange boat. Right, now tack over to your left a bit. That's it. Straighten up.
See, that's I know it's
Yeah. That gives you a point to aim towards. Okay, now go right towards them. That's it, straighten up. Okay, you're going to go round behind them too. Okay, go around this side. Alright, straighten up, you're going to crash into it.
Dominic, hey, race to the bridge.
Alright, go attack right, behind your head. Okay, jump the other side. Swap side. Okay, turn sharp left. I did, but the wind blows on the other side. Right, fine, sharp left. That's it. Okay, sit on the other side. Sit on the other side. Okay, right. No, 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 no! That's it. Okay? Right, straighten up, head to the blue seal. That one. That blue seal there. Okay, that way, that way, that way, that way! We can't get to get to the bridge. We need to go over there and then come back because the bridge is straight upwind. Okay, we're supposed to be heading to the blue sail. Okay. No, over to your left more. Over to your left more. See that big tree, the tallest tree? Head towards that. That's it. See, now we're stealing their wind. Okay, keep the course straight through. That's it. That's it. Okay, now we're cooking.
Watch out, who's that?
The duck will move. The duck will move. Good, you're getting the idea now. Much better. Alright, we're going to tack across now. Ready? So hard right. Alright, that's it, keep going. That's it. Okay, hard left, hard left. Excellent. Sit on this side. Sit on this side. Jesus, Caroline. Sit on this side. No, actually, sit where you are. Sit where you are. Right, hard right. It's going to spin right. Ready? Hard right. Stay where you are. Right, that's it. Right, no. Right, keep going right. That's it. Excellent. Right, now head towards the purple sail. Caroline, other side. Sit there. Sit there. No.
I really don't like it when it turns.
Right.
Where do you want me to go? Just
Stay where you are. Steer. Don't move unless I ask you to. Right, now pull. Go right a bit more. Go right. Go right. Right. That's left. Now straighten up. Straighten up. Straighten up. Go towards the blue seals. That's it. Go to the blue seals, Caroline.
I'm trying. I'm moving.
Sit there. Get over it.
Don't worry, it's tied up.
Alright, well done. No problem. No problem. Hello!
Don't you dare look away. It's Dad's fault. It's cold, get me out.
suddenly in a minute. What's your name, sorry?
Caroline.
Caroline. Are you cold, Caroline? Are you going to
Nope.
be alright to go back
Yeah, I'll
on?
be fine. This is great fun. Hey! It's tied on, right? The rudder. Hi, Dad. I told you I told you I didn't like doing that.
Just watch your head on that boom, John.
Say hello to the camera, Dad. Dad, say hello. Dad, you okay?
How's the water?
Jelly! Come on, Wood.